To create a self-marking quiz in Excel, in the ribbon, I need to have the Developer tab. It's not here. To get the Developer tab, I'm going to go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, Developer. Okay. It is there now. I'm going to be using something which is found here in Insert Controls. To create the self-marking quiz, I'm going to be using Form Controls. And I'm going to be using that control, the Combo Box control. Okay. Now, for my self-marking quiz, I need to have 5 sheets. I only have one. New sheet, new sheet, new sheet. I'm going to rename the sheets. The first sheet I'm going to call Table of Contents. The last sheet I'm going to call Results. Sheets 2, 3, and 4, I'm going to give the names of the different topics in my self-marking quiz. That one, I'm going to call it Cork Bay. This one, I'm going to call it Cape Town. That one, I'm going to call it Atlantis. Now we have 5 sheets. That is going to be our table of contents. These 3 are going to be our sheets of questions, and that sheet is where the results are going to be. From the table of contents sheet, I need a link to go to each of these question sheets. Let me click Cork Bay. Yes, there is a link to Cork Bay, and there's a link back to the table of contents page. From Cape Town, we can click and we can go to the Cape Town sheet. And I can go back to the table of contents. From Atlantis, and I can click back to table of contents. Now, how did I do that? I inserted a shape. The shape, the link can be from an image or text or a shape. Now, from this shape, I want a link to go to the results sheet. Just let me format it so it looks similar to the others. Center, center. Is it the correct size? No, a little bit smaller. There. I want a link from here to the results sheet. I'm going to select it, and I want to insert a link. Insert a link. Oh, a place in this document, yes. I want it to link to the results sheet. Let's have a look. Yes, it's gone to the results sheet. Now, from the results sheet, I need a link to go back to the table of contents sheet. I'm going to insert a shape. It could be a shape, it could be text, or it could be an image. I'm putting it here on the left-hand side because I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to the table of contents. Now I need a link. I can select it. I can right-click. Right-click. No. Right-click. Yes. And I can make a link. Place in this document. I wanted to go back to the table of contents. Or I could have gone to Insert, Link, and it opens the same dialog box. So now, from the table of contents, I have links to the different worksheets, and I have links back to the table of contents. On every sheet, there are 2 links, table of contents and results. I'm now ready to add my questions.